We all know we should be eating more greens, but sometimes it's hard to get enough in our diet. Juicing makes it easy and fun. You can mix and match different ingredients to suit your taste. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of juicing, inspired by the beautiful island of Icaria. Icaria is a blue zone, a special place where people forget to die, as Dan Buettner used to say in his National Geographic documentary. One of their secrets? They embrace a vibrant diet full of fresh, seasonal produce. So, this video is a summer juicing guide based on the macrobiotic and anti-aging lifestyle of my beautiful island, Icaria. In the description, I will leave traditional and modern Icarian juice recipes for you, plus the link for my juicing ingredients guide. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading shorts on how to make each recipe, plus my Icarian juicing ebook, with all traditional and modern Greek summer recipes will come out soon. In Icaria, they understand that nature provides everything we need to thrive. Their diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, and herbs, bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. One of the biggest longevity Icarian secrets is its strict adherence to consuming only seasonal fruits and vegetables. You will never see an Icarian eating tomatoes in January. To embrace this healthy habit, visit your local farmer's market to gather seasonal produce for your juices, salads, and meals. In the summer, farmers' markets and grocery stores are brimming with fresh, colorful vegetables and fruits, offering endless possibilities for juicing. In Greek tradition, summer is the best time to enjoy fresh fruits, salads, and juices. This seasonal abundance fuels longer days and hydrates you with watermelons, lettuce, strawberries, cucumbers, and tomatoes. So grab your favorite fruits and veggies and let's get juicing. But before we jump into the essentials, let's do the basics. Why juicing? As you already know, staying hydrated is crucial, especially during the hot summer months. We lose fluids more rapidly in the heat. It's essential to replenish them. For healthy individuals, the average daily water intake for men is about 15.5 cups, 3.7 liters, and for women, about 11.5 cups, 2.7 liter. According to WHO, what better way than with a delicious and hydrating juice? Fruits and vegetables are naturally high in water content. This helps to keep you hydrated and feeling your best. But summer juices offer much more than just hydration. They provide essential nutrients that our bodies crave. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants are abundant in fresh produce. Juicing helps us absorb these nutrients more efficiently. It's like giving your body a supercharge of goodness. Besides hydration and refreshment, a healthy fresh juice is a detox tool and energy booster. Plus, depending on the juice, it may help you lose those extra pounds or make your skin glow. Let's start with the fruits. Oranges, lemons, and limes are fantastic for adding a zesty flavor and are rich in vitamin C. They help boost immunity and add a refreshing tang to your juices. On the other hand, berries contain iron, an antioxidant that prevents our body from premature aging. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries add a natural sweetness. They give your juice a beautiful color and a burst of flavor. Their vibrant colors are a telltale sign of their nutritional power. Now let's add a bite of summer in the juice. Tropical fruits such as pineapple, mangoes, and papayas bring a taste of the tropics to your juice. These fruits are delicious and packed with vitamins and enzymes that aid digestion. Not to mention that especially pineapple is a powerful slimmer, according to research. Now let's not forget about the vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale may not sound as exciting as watermelon, but they are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Cucumbers add a refreshing crunch, and tomatoes bring a burst of savory flavor and are highly antioxidant. Herbs and spices, on the other hand, are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and detox, and may boost our metabolism and help us lose weight. Together, they create a symphony of tastes and textures that will tantalize your taste buds. You should check out my list of juicing ingredients, which briefly explains their health benefits. I will leave the link for you in the description below. Now, if you have a sweet tooth like me, you may enjoy adding sweetness to your drinks. But instead of using sugary stuff that can mess with your blood sugar, why not use natural sweeteners in your summer juice? Not only do they make your drinks taste amazing, but they're also good for you. For example, honey has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It can make your juice just the perfect amount of sweetness. And don't even get me started on maple syrup. It's delicious and packed with essential minerals. Another great option is agave nectar, which has a lower impact on your blood sugar than regular sugar. Just remember, a little sweetness goes a long way, and by choosing natural sweeteners, you're making your drinks tastier and looking out for your health. One of my favorite juices to reduce body fluid retention and lose weight is pineapple, framboise, and grapefruit. The star of this concoction is pineapple, a tropical treasure trove of bromelain. This natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse works wonders for fluid retention and weight loss. Plus, the generous dose of vitamin C in pineapple fortifies your immune system, keeps your heart in shape, and even helps burn fat. Grapefruit, with its distinct diuretic properties, aids in weight loss and helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's not just about vitamin C here. Grapefruit also brings vitamin A and lycopene. Opt for pink grapefruits if you prefer a milder, less acidic taste. For those with a sweeter palate, honey or your favorite sweetener can add that extra sweetness. Raspberries, the little red jewels of this juice, are delicious and incredibly beneficial for your heart and blood sugar levels. Packed with vitamin K and manganese, they support bone health and are one of the lowest sugar fruits available. Their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties add another layer of goodness to this already nutritious drink. However, a word of caution if you're on medication. Grapefruit can interact with various drugs, altering their effects. Always check with your healthcare provider if you're unsure. Creating this refreshing and healthy juice or granita is both quick and straightforward. Here's the recipe for 2 glasses of juice. I will leave you the link for you to have all the recipes written. 100 g raspberries, 250 g pineapple, peeled and cut, 320 milliliters grapefruit juice, 4 mint leaves. Start with fresh raspberries and pineapple. Peel and cut the pineapple into small pieces. Place the raspberries and pineapple pieces in the freezer. This will give your juice a slushy, granita-like texture. Once frozen, put the raspberries and pineapple in a blender. Squeeze fresh grapefruit juice and add it to the blender. Blend the mixture until it reaches a smooth, slushy consistency. Black lemonade is the king of detoxing. The first time I made it, drinking black juice was weird, but believe it is full of taste and will do miracles with your health and body weight. My recipe is the modern version of Icarian lemonade. Start with 750 grams of sparkling soda. Got it? Now add 250 grams of fresh lemon juice. Feeling zesty yet? Sweeten things up with 50 to 100 grams of maple syrup. Taste it. Too sour? Add a bit more syrup. Now comes the magic, a teaspoon of activated charcoal. Trust me, it's not as weird as it sounds. Activated charcoal has a neutral taste, and it is a toxins fighter. Just a pinch of salt to balance it out. Mix it all together until it's a deep, mysterious black. Fill your glasses with ice, pour in your detox lemonade, and garnish with fresh lemon slices. Voila! You've got yourself a health-packed, refreshing drink that's perfect for any summer day. Sip, enjoy, and feel amazing. Try this vibrant, longevity-boosting traditional Icarian juice. This excellent juice is packed with fresh, wholesome ingredients that your body will love. First, grab 2 red apples and cut them into quarters. Don't forget to remove the cores. Next, peel 3 carrots and chop them into rough pieces. Now let's bring in the zing. Add 40 grams of fresh peeled ginger and 200 grams of boiled beetroot. Don't forget the super spice. 1 teaspoon of turmeric for that anti-inflammatory kick, and a pinch of pepper to enhance absorption. For a citrus flavor, squeeze in the juice from 2 oranges. Toss everything into your blender. Cover it up and blend on high speed for 2 to 3 minutes until it's smooth and vibrant. If it's too thick, add a splash of juice. Pour it over ice and voila! You've got yourself a delicious, nutrient-packed, anti-aging Icarian juice. Enjoy it fresh and feel the benefits. Cheers to your health and longevity. I hope you enjoyed this summer juicing tutorial based on the habits of my Blue Zone island, Icaria. In the description, I will leave traditional and modern Icarian juice recipes for you, plus the link for the juicing ingredients guide. Please give a thumbs up if you feel like it, and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I will be uploading shorts on how to make each recipe. My free Icarian juicing ebook will come out soon.